Good morning, I'm Vidi, and this is Grandma's Kitchen, the only kitchen that avoids ginger. Today we're making a traditional recipe, orange donuts or orange rings. They're spectacular. Let's begin with the first ingredient. 3 eggs, crack them into a bowl without the shells. I know how you guys are. Add 100 grams of sugar, roughly 2/3 cup. If you prefer it sweeter, add more. You can also use artificial sweetener instead of sugar. It works too. Mix well with a hand whisk, and let's move on to the next ingredient, oil. Add 60 ml of oil, about 1/4 cup, and incorporate it into the mixture. As we go, I'm also going to add 50 ml of anise, a shot of anise in there as well. And to keep adding flavor, we'll use 25 ml of orange juice and the same amount of whole milk. Here I go. The oil I've used is mild olive oil. We mix it again. And this step is a breeze. We keep adding aroma. Lemon zest, about 1 lemon. And orange zest, about 1 orange. We're adding lots of aroma and flavor. And we're also going to add a packet, 16 grams of baking powder, so that our donuts puff up a little when we fry them. Next ingredient, 800 grams of flour. Here I go. We're going to add it little by little and mix it by hand. I'll start with a whisk first. When it starts to thicken, I'll probably use a spoon, a ladle, or a wooden fork. And I'll finish by hand. I'm going little by little. A little more. Now I'm doing it by hand. And as you can see, this is super easy and you'll have a mixture in no time. A dough like the one you see in the image. See, it's manageable, but it doesn't stick. It's elastic, but it's not rubbery. Come on, rub a little oil on your hands so the dough doesn't stick to you. And make small balls like the one you see in the image. All right, set them aside there and divide all the dough into these fantastic little balls. When you have a good pile like this, take 1 and take 2. Squeeze them together like this, joining the 2 balls into a single dough. Then you make the little hole in the middle of the donut, because what would a donut be without its hole? You have it ready, and from here we go to fry them. Sunflower oil or light olive oil, and we fry them on both sides over medium heat. We don't need very high heat, because otherwise they'll be raw on the inside. As soon as they're golden, we flip them over when they're this nice on both sides. We remove them and let them rest on paper towels. And these donuts are ready to go. Now I'm going to show you the pile of donuts I made with these 800 grams of flour, and you'll see why. My grandmother invited all the neighbors. Here, look at this huge pile. You get a lot, and they're super good. Traditional donuts, there you have them. Got laughs? Who wants more? A spectacular dish for this time of year, and a result that's really worth it. Super good. You have to make them.
You give me ice and vibe, baby. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.